All right, today we're at Deborah George, 1633 Browns Mill Lane, Lithonia, Georgia, 30038. We're going to be conducting a repair video on this damaged shingle that's been damaged by wind. We'll be replacing the whole shingle with a brand new 3-tab. Do it. Okay, and this is our damaged shingle. We can see where it's been damaged by wind. And just by removing this one shingle, by not completely repairing it yet, but just by removing one shingle, you can start to see where we're causing damage on the shingles nearby the repair. So here goes our shingle. And there we have it. There's our repair. And because repairing one shingle, we damaged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shingles. Not to mention the damaged shingle already found by insurance.